For those who enjoy my painting demos, here is another Impressionist painting I did, and I thought I would share a little bit about my process with you. I decided to use a very muted blue color for my background. I did this because I wanted to convey a mood of calmness and serenity. The tool I'm using is a Princeton brand Catalyst silicone wedge, and it's one of my favorite tools to use. And now I'm going in with my filbert brush. It's a number 10 brush, and I use it to create very soft, misty effects in my paintings. And the way I do that is with a little bit of glazing liquid. And here I've mixed some glazing liquid and some white paint and made a very transparent glaze. And I'm just working it into the sky in my painting. Here's a better shot of my glazing technique. And you can see the beautiful misty effect that it gave to my sky. I love the blues and purples in this painting, but I thought I would wake the painting up a little bit by adding the complementary color, which is yellow. This yellow is such a perfect complement for the other colors in this painting, and I really feel that it gave this painting such a beautiful energy. The placement of the yellow also creates eye flow and it adds to the overall composition of the painting. This painting sold immediately to a collector in Japan, but if you're interested, there's a print available over on my website. The link to this print is available in the description under this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my content. Thank you.